Our base 10 number system is really fantastic because using just these 10 digits, we can write any number that we want to. For example, this says the number 23, and it works because we've got 2 tens and 3 units, making 23. This says 356, because we have 3 hundreds, 5 tens, and 6 units. I'm now going to show you how to add 27 and 32. This is how we do it. 27 with 32 written underneath, lined up carefully. And we want to be adding those. 7 plus 2 is 9, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So I know that the answer is 59. Now let's have a look at why this works. 27 I can write as 2 tens and 7 units, and 32 is 3 tens and 2 units. Now I can see that I've got a total of 9 units and a total of 5 tens. So the answer's 59. Let's look at this question now. The first thing I'm going to do is write the number 431. I want to add on 64. I've got to be really careful to line up the units, which is 4, with the units here, and the tens, which is 6, with the tens here. Now I'm ready to add. 1 add 4 is 5, 3 add 6 is 9, and 4 add nothing here is 4. If we look again at how it works, the first number is 4 hundreds, 3 tens, and 1 unit. The second number is 6 tens and 4 units. I get a total of 5 units, 9 tens, and 4 hundreds. Here are some questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Let's have a look now at this question, 8 add 6. If I add them up, I know that the answer's 14. But let's have a look at what's actually happening. I've got 8 units and 6 units. Adding those together gives me 14 units, but I can't put 2 numbers in one column. So what I have to do is put the 4 here, and then the other 10 units make 1 10. Now let's look at this question. I'm going to start with the 78, and I want to add 6 to it. This is 6 units, so it needs to line up with the 8, and I want to add these. Now, 8 add 6 is 14. I put the 4, and I carry the 1 here. 7 add 1 is 8, so my answer is 84. Here's how this works. 78 is 7 tens and 8 units, and the 6 is just 6 units. 8 add 6 makes 14 units. I can only put one number here, so I have to put the 4, and I know that the other 10 units makes a 10, which will have to go in this column here. Now I've got 7 tens and 1 10, which altogether is 8 tens, giving me my answer of 84. Here's another one which I'm going to do quickly. 78 add 46. Eight add 6 is 14, so I put the 4 and I carry the 1. 7 add 4 is 11, plus the 1 here is 12, so I can put my 2 here and my 1 here. The answer is 124. Let's see how this one works. 78 is 7 tens and 8 units, and 46 is 4 tens and 6 units. 8 units add 6 units gives a total of 14 units. I put the 4 here, and the other 10 units go in the tens column. 7 tens add 4 tens is 11 tens. Add 1 more 10 is 12 tens. Now 12 tens is 120, of course. So I can put the 2 here for the 20, and the 100 can go in the hundreds column. I have the answer 124. Here are some for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Let's have a look at this type of question now. I have 347 and I want to add 285. 7 add 5 is 12, so I put the 2 and carry the 1. 4 add 8, add this one here, is 13, so I put the 3 and carry 1. 3 add 2, add this one, is 6. So my answer is 632. I'll leave you to work out how it works in the grid up here. Here's one for you. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. So in this question we have 829 plus 193. 9 add 3 is 12, put the 2, carry the 1. 2 add 9, add 1 is 12, put the 2, carry the 1. 8 add 1 is 10, put the 0 here and the 1 here. The answer is 1022. Again, you can use this here to see how it works. Here's a final set of questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play to see the answers. Here are the answers.